Hey y'all, and welcome back to Makeup Monday. So y'all tell me if I'm wrong, but I think the purest love that we experience sometimes, depending on how you were raised, is the love that you experienced as a child. I grew up in a loving two-parent household where I felt protected and safe, and that's what I look for in a relationship. All day, every day, I'm a strong, hardworking woman, but when I feel the most love is when I'm in a situation where I can be vulnerable and I can feel safe. I think for most women, we want to be held. I want to be able to curl up in your arms and go to sleep. I want to be taken care of mentally, physically, emotionally, and I want an old school man that can take care of me financially as well. And no, that doesn't work for everyone, but that's what works for me in my household. There's no egos involved, and he knows that if he pours into my cup, then he's going to get the best version of me. I think a lot of times people confuse reading a woman's mind with just simply getting to know your partner and what your partner likes. I like flowers and candy and date nights and lunch just because you were thinking about me. He makes sure that I have gas in my car and just make sure that I have everything I need and makes my life much easier. So in return, I can pour into his cup as well. I know a lot of people like to use that a closed mouth doesn't get fed, but I knew the perfect relationship for me was going to be with someone who just got me, someone who paid attention to the little things, the fact that I get my hair done every 2 weeks, the fact that, oh, I might be running low on gas because I'm running the kids around all the time. Like, I didn't want to be the person that had to sit there with my hand out all the time, always asking for something. I want you to do something for me because you noticed that I need it and you just wanted to do it for me because you love me. The things I like and what's important to me is not going to be important to the next person. But stop letting people breadcrumb you and half ass their way through the relationship. I'm so sick of this saying, but it's true. If the person wanted to, they definitely would. All right, y'all, we are done. Mommy. I gotta go, y'all. Leave some comments down below and let me know how you guys like to show up in your relationship and the things that are important to you. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.